Malika. I'm one of the speech therapists here at the Academy for Autism, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about this little Bluebee Pal. I've been going to conferences and continuing education classes, and I leave without any specific tools or activities that I could easily walk into a therapy session the next day and use to target my clients' goals. So that is one reason I really appreciate Bluebee Pals. You can easily pair it with any app or activity that you're already using. I was really surprised on the kids and their response to these cute little guys, especially considering the range of ages, diagnoses, behaviors. I think some of the kids get tired of listening to me talk all day, my voice. I know I'm tired of listening to myself sometimes at the end of the day. And I think some of the kids would rather follow directions from a cute plush animal rather than me sometimes. The Bluebee app itself is great. I use it to target making choices, categories, following directions, literacy goals, daily living skills, inferences, expanding vocab. It's great. And one of my kids, and sometimes he has difficulty with motivation in a structured activity, loved it. We worked on it one day with following directions, expanding MLU with his SGD. The next day he came into therapy requesting Bluebee Pal. And I was really surprised with that, loved it. My verbal kids love recording their speech through the app. We work on fluency, articulation, social skills, formulating grammatically correct sentences, expanding the MLU. One kid used it to tell secrets to all his friends in class. I've used it with any app that I've already been using. Tiny Tap app is great. Games that I've already made on there. It gives it a voice output and engages them more. The unique learning system is part of the curriculum that we use here. Bluebee can tell the story to them, and you can use it for other read alouds through YouTube or any other apps with books that you have. The Phonics Genius app, you can work on literacy, articulation. The Pictillo app is great for telling the personalized stories with the kids in it. They really get engaged. I've especially loved using it with my AAC users. I've used it with Proloquo to Go, Words for Life, Text-to-Speech, and structured and unstructured social conversation building activities. And Bluebee essentially just becomes the AAC user. Based on my experience and using it with the kids and their reaction and response to it, I would definitely recommend Bluebee Pals.